Midoriya! Slow down!
Since when do you call me Midoriya? I gotta figure out which trail we're going, but we're gonna go look at the river first.
Oh!
So pretty, alright? So pretty.
Cut! Deku!
The dog is scared. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, see? Good.
I don't know what Deku's doing. Just admiring nature. I'm where I belong.
Alright, let's go.
Deku, I need a walking stick. Deku, I need a walking stick, man.
Why do you need a walking stick sometimes?
I just don't.
Oh my goodness,
Oh, we need. Oh,
you hear me? I don't totally trust you. Big dogs?
Especially if it's not unexpected.
No, come on. No. Ooh, look at that, that's so pretty. Ooh, there's a little bridge.
we bridge.
Smells good.
Kacchan, how do you like it? Isn't it beautiful? Kaya, don't walk with Mom. She doesn't want to be in it.
Huh?
She don't want to be in it.
Hey, you're not walking me.
Hi. Kacchan, what are you gonna do if we see a bear?
I ain't getting all goddamn bear. I'm running down the trail.
So you're not gonna explosion it? You're scared of bears?
I'm just gonna run down the trail.
You're gonna leave me?
Yes, I'm gonna leave you for the damn bear.
You hate me that much that you're gonna leave me with the bear?
Yeah. I'm gonna let you get eaten by a damn bear.
Kacchan, where did you get that dog?
I'm dog sitting.
Go watch. She was going to the bathroom. Go take her somewhere to use the bathroom. Your dog sitting?
Yeah.
I like your dog. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, Kacchan. Isn't that pretty? We haven't even seen the waterfall yet. Ooh.
Hey, if I see a bear, I'm running down the trail.
You mean up the trail?
Well, that way, I'll be running
Back to the car?
You be damn straight I'll be running that way.
Here, hold the camera.
Oh, I'll take the dog.
Why you take my dog? Heh, I guess Deku's helping me. Dog sit. Deku, stop doing the Naruto run! I'm gonna murder you! I'm gonna let you get eaten by a damn bear!
Oh, I just need to go to the bathroom.
Ew. Run! We should have gone. Ah!
Here, hold the dog, Kacchan.
I want a picture. funny. Down! Get down!
No.
Get down!
Where I belong.
Get out of the hole. Alright.
And you, kacchan.
Down! Here.
Oh, the
Camera so you can do your thing.
Wait, take that picture. On my phone.
She has to pee. Are you gonna get up there? How am I supposed to film and take a picture at the same time and hold the dog?
I need mom. But mom.
I need Deku.
Do what I did. Alright. You like that rock?
Yeah, do.
I'm gonna live on that rock.
Huh.
I'm going to live on that rock.
Okay, here.
Mom. It's so pretty out here. Oh, look.
It matches my hair. You damn nerd. You have a vlog channel or something, Deku?
Yeah, I own a blog.
Deku!
Actually, I don't own a blog. I own a YouTube channel. That's something you don't know about me, kacchan.
That's why. You're filming.
I didn't know you were dog sitting.
I didn't know you had a YouTube account.
Yeah, you don't mind being on my YouTube.
No. I don't care. As long as Kirishima does not come after me.
Oh.
Stop! How would you like if I started Naruto running?
I like Naruto.
Two different universes, Deku.
I love the anime. Oh, look at the dog won't go close to it. So I'll get closer.
Hey, Deku! Oh, she'll go. My bills. I'm not gonna throw you in or anything. Ah, my phone. Yeah. No fucking running away, you dog. Take a picture of me. Alright, I'll take a picture. Stop doing my thing. You like it? Is it pretty? You want to get in?
But it's cold.
Yeah, it snowed like 3 days ago. The pooch doesn't like the water. Alright, we gotta hurry up. So walk really fast, kacchan.
Y'all want to see the falls?
We're going to a triple falls. That's where we're hiking back to. Run. Run. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Ooh. We're going up that.
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's an animal.
The bird.
He's like, I'm not getting in this. This is cold.
I want to go take a picture over here.
The dog won't go in. Nowhere near it. Okay, we're going up this way. Up the hill, kacchan. You need a walking stick?
Yeah, I do. You damn nerd. All you care about is this vlog. I'm trying to hike.
You mean my YouTube channel?
Yeah, I'm trying to hike here, Deku.
Why are you trying to hide?
Hike.
Oh, hike.
I'm gonna be dead.
This hill is huge. Look how huge this hill is.
Hey.
Oh, you're thirsty. I can give you a sip of my drink.
Hey.
Don't drink all of it. Your knees hurt already? All right. Watch out, big dog coming. Somebody has to drag you up.
I guess he's not looking at the foot. I know hiking down is gonna be easier.
Ooh, look at that. It was not my, yeah, it was my idea. How far is up this hill? Kacchan. All that hero training we do and a fucking hike gets you?
Look, show him this.
Kacchan, you dying? Wow, how long is it supposed to take? She's all twisted.
One twist off.
Kacchan. Somebody has to drag me up the hill, or I'll just fall over. You sure I won't fall over, Deku? There's one waterfall and then there's the second one. Woo! He got me scared for a second. I thought we were digging my grave. Damn it. She was trying to pull me up. Woo! See, there's 1, 2, and then 3. Oh, oh, my back hurting. I'm gonna sit down right here. My question is how you get down there.
It says don't.
Do not enter here.
No shit. Look how pretty. There's one fall, second one, and third one. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, Deku.
Very pretty, isn't it?
But I wonder how you get down there.
The dog wouldn't go down there.
What? Yeah, the dog won't go down there though. I'll film it for you. Oh, hold on. See that? It's a triple waterfall. You have a signal?
Yeah.
Should I call my... Oh, yes.
Call it.
Not pretty. So, Kacchan, what's with that outfit you're wearing?
Hiroshima.
Hiroshima happened? Take some pictures for me, Kacchan.
Hiroshima happened.
Is Hiroshima your boyfriend?
No.
Okay.
Hiroshima and Raka happened.
Oh.
They were playing together.
Oh yeah, because Uraka was supposed to go hiking with me. Did she dare you to go hiking with me instead?
No, she dared me to wear this outfit and then go hiking.
With me?
No, just hiking.
So why did you go hiking with me, Kacchan?
Because we were going hiking.
Oh, and you wanted to get the dare out of the way?
Yep. In this outfit.
You look very cute, Kacchan.
I swear, Deku. Touch me on the rope right now.
Kacchan, are you gay?
Take a picture of this. Are you?
Yes.
Little puppy.
You can film me. Film me, start. Deku. I wonder how long his video gonna be.
So beautiful. I am where I belong. Hey, is that picnic up there?
What's with that outfit, Deku? From who? Apparently he's dating Todoroki too.